Good morning, one and all. Okay, now it is our science period. Here, our topic is component of our food. In this topic, let's have quick review of the topic what we learn in this chapter. I hope you all complete your question answers and worksheet also. And those who miss any of the period or any of the portion, so that's why I here repeat the topic. So in our topic components of our food, let's see first the importance of food. What is the importance of food? Food gives us energy. Body needs food to grow and heal injured part. Food keeps the body healthy and help to fight diseases. What are the major nutrients in our food? The major nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats. Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. These are the major nutrients that we get from food, and along with roughage and water also play very important. Okay, let's see the role of nutrient in our food. What is the function of nutrient? Carbohydrates provides carbohydrates and fats. They provide energy. They are called as energy giving food. Carbohydrate present in the form of food atom. Carbohydrate is present in the form of starch and sugar in the food. Then protein helps the body to grow. It is called as food for growth, and they also help repair the injured and worn out part of the body. Vitamins and minerals are called as protective food. They protect us or keep us healthy and fight against diseases. Vitamins are required in very small quantities. Okay. Then sources of food. What is the major source of food? See, carbohydrate. The major source of carbohydrates are the cereals, pulses. The major sources of carbohydrates are all types of cereals like wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, barley or wheat bread. Then milk are the major sources of carbohydrate. Proteins, pulses are the rich source of protein. All types of pulses like tur, moong, lentils, kidney bean, gram, these are the rich source of protein along with milk and milk product, fish, meat, etc. Then the minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins we get from the all types of vegetables and fruits. The major source of fats are oil, ghee, butter, milk, milk product, fish, meat, etc. And the source of roughage and water are the fresh fruits and vegetables. Clear? Now clear about the component for food and their sources. So let's see the test for the carbohydrates. Test for carbohydrate, already you all are enjoying your lab period. In lab we prove that the carbohydrate present in the given food atom. To prove carbohydrates present in the given food atom, what are the chemical required here? Iodine, yes, dilute iodine solution. So what is the procedure? Take a food atom, crushed it in the form of powder, or if we take the cooked rice, because cereals are the rich source of carbohydrate. So cooked rice, mash it, make a fine paste, dilute it, add some amount of water, then add some drop of iodine and then shake it well. Right, what is the result here? The color of the food atom changes. It becomes violet. Then it proves that the given food atom contains carbohydrate. Then second test for protein. For protein again we need cooked pulses or the milk. What are the solution required here? The caustic soda and the sodium hydroxide solution. Here we make a paste of cooked food or dal, then dilute it, Add some drop of copper sulfate, that is caustic soda, and sodium hydroxide. Shake it well and observe the color. The color changes into violet. That proves that the given food item contains protein. And very simple test for fats. Fat means oil, butter, etc. So here for the test of fats, take any oil seed, wrap in a thick paper and crush it gently, so that after some time the oil patches come on the paper. It proves that the oil seeds contain fats. Clear? These are the three tests we discuss in this topic. Then some deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases: vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, calcium, iron and iodine. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, deficiency of vitamin A causes loss of vision. Their sources we all know that: papaya, milk, fish, meat, etc. Carrot, spinach. Then vitamin B causes, deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, bleeding gums. The source of vitamin C are the all types of citrus fruits. Then vitamin D, main source of vitamin D, sunlight. We get vitamin D from sunlight. Again, seafood, fish, milk, etc. Then calcium. Calcium and is for healthy bones and tooth decay. Iodine causes goiter, and iron, deficiency of iron, anemia. Okay, this chart is given in your textbook. Okay, then go thoroughly learn it. Let's discuss about the malnutrition and anemia. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is again a deficiency disease. If a person do not get required amount of carbohydrate, proteins or fat, then it causes, for a long time, it causes a malnutrition. Okay, malnutrition defined as the cellular imbalance between the supply of nutrients and energy and the body demand to ensure growth, maintenance and specific functions. Okay, anemia. Again, anemia is a number of red blood cells falls below the normal, or hemoglobin level falls below the normal. The deficiency of iron. Iron helps to make blood. If people do not get sufficient amount of iron, it causes disease like anemia. Okay, this is a simple chapter component of food. What are the major components here? Carbohydrates, fats, protein, mineral, vitamins. Due to lack of carbohydrates, fats or protein, it causes a disease known as malnutrition. And due to the vitamins and minerals, the deficiency disease causes known as night blindness, rickets, scurvy, anemia, etc. I hope you understand the topic very well. If you have any queries or doubt, ask me personally and send me your homework and all that exercise we discussed in last presentation. So you got all the answers. Write down answers in copy. Maintain your copy regularly. Okay? And send me on my personal number. Lot of students send the homework regularly. Good. Keep it up. I want complete involvement of all the students. Okay? So here worksheet also you solve. Side by side you learn question answers. All these things. And be ready for the surprise test. I hope you all are safe and good at home. So eat good food and keep us healthy, so that we will meet very soon in the school. That's why keep your notebooks ready. Okay? Thank you.